Hi to our viewers. We've got a Ford Mondeo here. It's on the ramp for MIT, from MIT at Taj MIT station. Just going to show you how to check your tyres, if your tyres are legal or not legal. On this one you've got 205 55 16s. Just turn the wheel to the right, full lock it to your right. As you can see, the wear on the tyre, this one here is quite worn on the edges, just right here on the edges, but throughout the middle it's pretty good. That's the wear indicator there. This still has about 2.5 to 3 mil thread on there, right in the middle here. It's got about 2.5 to 3.5 mil. All you gotta worry about, as soon as it touches this wear indicator, that means the tire is illegal. You need to replace it. If you don't, then you can get 3 points or £60 fine. Just watch out for the cords as well. If this wears a bit, if this wears more on the edges, then you'll have cords showing. That means you need to change it straight away. You don't need to wait around. Any more information on tires, please visit tajtyres.com. It's got all the details about tires, the pressure and everything, and we'd read our blog as well. Thanks for watching.